Let's create an RFI. Start by selecting your project. Click on the RFI tab in the navigation menu on the left. Select the Add RFI button at the top of the page. In the Assign To field, select the project contacts you want to assign the RFI. Similarly, in the Distribute To field, click on the contacts who need to receive notifications on this RFI. Title your RFI with a subject related to the question being asked. Assigning a due date to the RFI will ensure a timely response. Click in the question box to enter the information you need clarification on. If there are any photos or attachments related to your question, drag and drop or click to upload the files in the Attachments section. To submit the RFI, click on the Save and Open button at the bottom. To view or respond to an RFI, click on the direct link in your email notification. Here, you will find all the details regarding the RFI. To add a response, scroll down to the Responses section and begin typing in your response. Be sure to click the Add Response button below to save your answer. When finished responding, click Save to submit your response. To accept an RFI response, select the check mark directly next to the response. This will automatically accept the response. To close the RFI, click on the red Mark as Closed button at the top of the page. This will send a notification to your distribution list that this RFI is answered and closed. How to customize your RFI setting. Within the RFI tab, click on the Settings icon at the top right of the screen. In General Settings, you can customize who can create RFIs and assignees to approve comments. Similarly, you can customize your notification settings below by selecting which options to receive notifications on. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit us at panteratools.com.